How to buy a genuine Windows 10 or Windows 11 license from Microsoft. First, you will need to open up your browser and then navigate to Microsoft.com. And once you navigate here, you want to select your language and then click on the Windows tab here on the menu. Now, once you are in Windows tab, you want to expand Get Windows and then click on Buy Windows. You will find different Windows versions. So for example, there is Windows 11 Home and Pro. You want to click on the one you want to get and then scroll down and you should find a Add to Cart option where you can select what to get. So select download for digital download, then click on Add to Cart. You will need to sign in with your Microsoft account to be able to buy this. So when you click on checkout, it should ask you to sign in. And once you sign in, they should ask you to choose a way to pay. They accept credit cards, e-wallets, and PayPal. So you can use your favorite payment method and then place an order to get a Windows 11 Pro license. And this is going to be a digital license which is assigned or linked to your Microsoft account that you use to buy it with. And whenever you basically get a new PC or reinstall Windows or format your computer, you will just need to sign in with your Microsoft account, and that should basically automatically activate your Windows without you having to type any license key or anything. Just sign in when you first get your PC or format it, and it will be activated immediately. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.